Howdy, y'all. Welcome to ProTrucksPlus.com. This is Justin. Today we're checking out a 2008 Mazda B2300 pickup. It's a standard cab, short bed, two-wheel drive, 4-cylinder pickup. A great little service runner where you put it to work or just get groceries with it. Nice clean white paint job. It's only got 27,000 miles on it. It's very much like a new truck, with the exception of the price. So there. Local California pickup. You got good tread on the tires. Beefy. The bed is straight. Loaded up. It'd be a great little runner. Manual windows and locks, less to break. You've got a two captain's chairs with a center console and a seatbelt in the center too, so some of the particularly small buttocks can fit. Ta-da! Vinyl flooring, less to clean. Nice carbon fiber veneer on the dash, looks pretty clean. Got a clean headliner, it's a non-smoker. There's no pet dander or anything funky like that. It's got dual airbags. Check out the driver's side. Cool seats for this truck too. Nice comfy cab. You got heater, AC, and AM/FM radio. So there's two power outlets there. You got 27,000 miles on the odometer. We're gonna take it for a quick spin, do some donuts, some burnouts, maybe race some hot rods. You know, pretty much normal stuff you do in a 4-cylinder Mazda pickup. Rolling like a new truck. Track straight down the road. Front end's nice and tight. Tight like a Toyga. Super tight. Shift points are nice. Shifts smoothly, accelerates quickly, brakes are healthy. We're going to do a hard stop now. Hands entirely off the wheel, no spinning. I'll let you see the road again. What hast thou done? What madness consumes thee? I think he was waving at me, which is weird. Oh, never mind. It's a beauty shot. Look at this sexy little guy. Look at, he's so fine. All peppy. People behind the window are just like, wow, that dude is nuts. He's off his rocker. Doodly-doo. We are located in Livermore, California. Our phone number is 925-449-4747. If you're in the market for a pickup, you've landed on the right video. Be sure to check out our website, ProTrucksPlus.com, for all current inventory. If your search is originating on YouTube, make sure to check and see if what you're looking at is still available. Pretty high turnaround on our pickups. Because they're not auction rigs. They're all hand-picked. Very nice units that we are very much comfortable sending across the nation, as we do on the regular. There we go. And if you're looking for bigger ones, we happen to specialize in 3/4 ton, 1 ton turbo diesel pickups. Take a look under the hood and call it a day. I can do this. I can do this. I've done this. This clean motor. We don't actually steam them. So this is the motor in its natural state, and it's pretty clean, just like you would expect from a 27,000 mile truck. Clean Carfax, nothing funky. It is what it is. It's a nice 2008 Mazda B2300. I think that refers to the displacement of the motor, 2.3 liter. Yep. Clean rig. Standard cab, short bed, two-wheel drive, ready to roll. My name's Justin. Thanks so much for hanging out.